So here you can see that I have an image and an object right here. Whether you're working with an image or an object, you can go on to the format option and then you will have the size and rotation option right here. So I'm just going to choose an image for this example. And over here, you can see that in the size and rotation panel, you can see that there's width and height option. So right now, the width and height is 7.78 and 5.29 by height wise, and both are in inches. If I want to resize that out, I can go around and let's say, for example, press 7 right here, and this is going to be, let's say, 5 inches. And you can see that it immediately adjusts it to the exact value. If you were to see the ruler on the top, you can see that now it's exactly 7 inch and 5 inch right here. You can also go around onto the width scale. So you can go around, increase this out. So the width scale is 108% and the height scale is 100. So if I were to decrease this, you can see that it affects the height and the width as well. If I were to decrease this, you can see that the width and height changes accordingly. If I were to do 100 and 100, then it goes back onto the default aspect ratio, just like this, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock the aspect ratio, and now let's see what actually happens. If I were to resize this out, let's say, you can see that it resizes like that. But if I were to increase the width, you can see that the height changes according to what is required. And if I were to change the width, then so it does not actually skew out the image unless I actually pull in the handles right here, just like this. So if I were to increase this out, you can see that the width and height both changes at the same time. And that is how you can work around with this size. The other option you have is the rotation. So you can go around and then click on the 90-degree rotation to rotate it around, or you can flip it around as well, flip it upside down. And the other option you have is to rotate it out. So I can click and drag this handle and rotate it out visually, or I can enter a specific angle. Let's say, for example, I want to enter 45 degrees of angle, then that is how it actually works out. So I can resize this out, I can increase and decrease this, and that is how it works out. And that is how you can adjust the size and rotation from the format options inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.